हेलो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हम द टीचर ऐप के एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजीज़ की क्विज़ सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। तो अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रही। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, मिस नीलम इंश्योर्स दैट हर स्टूडेंट थ्रोली रिव्यू द इंटायर एग्ज़ाम पेपर बिफोर अटेम्प्टिंग टू आंसर इट. She has created a checklist of steps to be followed during the exam and shared it with the students. Select the option which will not be a part of the checklist. इसका सही ऑप्शन है आइडेंटिफाई ऑल द इजी क्वेश्चंस एंड अटेम्प्ट इन द एंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, शिक्षा इज़ अ वेरी diligent and regular student. She prepares her class notes so well that other students also use them. Deepak ji is aware of her study efforts, yet her exam results show a very different picture. On analyzing the finds out that Shiksha is not able to complete any of her exam papers. He decided to help her by teaching her some specific exam taking strategies. Which strategy should be focused on their own sport Shiksha? इसका सेकंड ऑप्शन जो है वो करेक्ट है. ऑप्शन ए, सी एंड डी टुगेदर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, मनिका मैम ऑब्जर्व दैट अ फ्यू ऑफ हर स्टूडेंट्स एग्जिबिट एनेक्सिटी ड्यूरिंग द मैथ एग्जाम्स. शी वांट्स टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स रिड्यूसिंग दिस एनेक्सिटी. For the same, she decided to plan and share a poster with her student under the heading 3 things to be when you get your question paper. Select the option that she could be including in her poster. इसका सही ऑप्शन है फर्स्ट, रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली. थर्ड, prioritize answering the question you know the answer first. And fourth, show the working in steps to get marks. Question number 4 है, educators need to effectively address the psychological efforts that influence students' performance in exam. From the given options, select the strategies and interventions that can be implemented by them to improve their overall performance and reduce exam stress. इसका सही ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, अरेंज फॉर रेगुलर mindfulness or relaxation exercises. Second, establish a sportive and judgment-free classroom environment. And third, offering counseling services of students dealing with exam-related stress in collaboration with school counselors or psychologists. Question number 5 है, Shelley finds exam frightening. Her perception of the subject English and the level of anxiety impact her overall performance. Which of the following interventions her teacher can implement to promote a positive perception of the exam and reduce exam-related anxiety? इसका सही ऑप्शन है implement pre-planned discussion on the blueprint of the English exam paper with Shelley. Second, review the English answer sheet of the tests taken by Shelley in the past and analyze the pattern of mistakes and discuss the way to avoid them in future. और लास्ट वाला ऑप्शन, गाइड हर टू राइट एन आउटलाइन फॉर द आंसर्स विद शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस इन केस ही इज़ नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट विद राइटिंग द होल आंसर इन इंग्लिश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, रवि एंड Shada both study in the same class. Sudha prepares for the annual exam with a systematic planning throughout the year, while Ravi prepares only in the last 2 months before the exam. Although they follow different exam preparation strategies, the score equal marks. What do you think Ravi is taking care of throughout the year, even though his preparation time is shorter than of Sudha, resulting in equal marks? इसका सही आंसर है Ravi priorities specific subject areas and topic based on their weightage in the exams. allowing him to allocate his limited time more effectively with help of his 2 month study plan. Question number 7 है Miss Kashama decided to support students who are underprepared for a year-end exam due to unforeseen circumstances such as falling sick or family mishap during the academic year. Which are the following steps she should not have take? इसका सही आंसर है increase the number of study hours for students who are underprepared by assigning additional homework and assignments to catch up on the missed days. Question number 8 है Kiranji guided her students to keep note for the below mentioned strategy to deal with which type of questions? Subject knowledge, time management, ability to organize through thoughts, writing skills. इसका सही ऑप्शन है essay type questions. Question number 9 है Sarah and her friend were discussing the steps taken by their teachers to prepare them effectively and alleviate their exam stress. Below given are the 4 strategies. Which among these strategies will be able to help the students in improving their performance holistically? Build a positive perception about exams among students. Support students in developing effective time management skills by giving time-bound tests. Implement differentiate instruction to cater to students' individual learning needs and address knowledge gaps. Introduce relaxation techniques such as mindfulness or deep breathing exercises to help students manage anxiety during exams. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है all of 4 strategies. Question number 10 है Balwant sir ensures his students understand and grasp the daily lesson by quizzing them on the previous day's concept before introducing them any new topic. This approach has led to an improvement of their exam performance. How has this strategy helped students to their exam performance? इसका सही ऑप्शन है Students are getting enough time for revision before the exam as they already understand concept well. Students can prepare for their exams even in the shortest available time. And everyday question sessions help the students move smoothly with the new concepts and tasks as they are clear with the prerequisite concepts. हमारे सारे 10 के 10 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट हो चुके हैं और हमारा स्कोर 100% हो चुका है. तो अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. मिलते हैं किसी